just use the hammer to chip that out so we can get a chance to look at that fresh bit. As you can see, it's very solid hard. It's very hard and it's very weathered as well. You should chip that off a bit as well. He's just trying to chip the edges, just knock it like that, and then push the edge away backwards with the weathering process with the calcite. Sometimes you notice it flip away by itself. So you can see open a window because this is very hard. That's the metal strike going up. There's a lot of metal strike, you see them? That's a masonry drill bit. We have to twist it to say. And I use this edge, which is the sharp edge here, you see? Where it's split that way. I create the sharp edge. I use these jagger bits. And I apply pressure. I use here as well, which is the edge. So I have to twist it. But I have to slant it so I cut like a knife because it's no more, it's a bit rounded here. So you have to apply too much pressure to get a good result. So if you use it properly, it works. You need to apply a bit more pressure because it's not as sharp as that tool, you see? So you have to apply pressure. You have to use a discretion, right?